how to turn on or turn off Gboard and voice typing share usage statistics on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, we go down in here, tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, scroll down. Then tap on Privacy. At the top here, tap on Share Usage Statistics. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on the Share Usage Statistics. And here's it automatically send keyboard usage statistics to Google. So if you want to increase your privacy, it is better to switch this off. By default, this is turned on. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.